Does your website feel a bit stitched together? Does your website feel a bit stitched together? You added a feature here, a plugin there, and over the years it's become something you barely recognize. It's a common story, and it doesn't happen overnight. You needed a contact form, then a calendar, then a pop-up, each time adding a new piece to the puzzle without a master plan.
The first sign of trouble is usually speed. Pages take forever to load, and potential customers are clicking away before they even see what you offer. Worse, every new plugin is another potential backdoor for hackers. A single outdated or poorly coded piece can leave your entire business and customer data vulnerable. And the scariest part? Sometimes a simple update to one thing breaks something else entirely. Your website has become a fragile house of cards, where one wrong move can bring it all down. In our world, we call this technical debt. It's the hidden cost of choosing an easy fix now, which creates much more expensive rework for you later. This debt has real costs: lost sales from slow speeds, frustrated staff who can't update anything, and expensive, panicked calls to a developer when it all crashes. Trying to fix it with yet another plugin is like putting a Band-Aid on a broken dam. You're not fixing the foundation, you're just adding more pressure to a structure that's already failing. The true, long-term solution is a strategic rebuild. We don't throw away your valuable content, we just give it a new, solid foundation that's built for security and growth. Using modern tools, we can build a site that is incredibly fast, completely secure, and easy for your team to manage. And with AI-assisted workflows, this process is faster and more affordable than you might think. Our philosophy is simple. You own everything. A clean, modern site built on standard technology gives you complete control, with no proprietary systems to lock you in. At Webmaster and more, we help Los Angeles businesses replace their Frankenstein sites with powerful, professional platforms. Let's find out what's really going on under the hood of your website. Book a free website teardown today.